When you're in nature, the question is, how do you absorb the energy from, let's say, water? How do you extract energy from the earth? How do you extract energy from fire? How do you extract energy from air? And that is the ability. It's kind of like, it's like a metaphysical phenomena. It's a deep-seated esoteric phenomena that some of us become predisposed to. And that predisposition is all the things that reality seems to do that science seems to dismiss or ignore, or people just don't seem to be aware of. And a lot of these phenomena happens and occur based on some people's level of energetic frequency and how they absorb energy. Where do they get energy from? And one aspect of extracting energy is in nature: earth, fire, air, water. So how do you extract this energy? Well, it's metaphorical. You know, it's a metaphysical phenomenon: mind and matter, substance and attribute. We already know that we have to visualize this water entering our body. It sounds simplistic. Fire conscious. Fire is conscious. Fire possesses consciousness because